Arrive in style with this Nissan 2016 Altima 2.5 SV. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are cold weather package, convenience package, navigation package, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, CD player, NissanConnect with navigation and mobile apps, radio data system and radio, AM/FM CD MP3 audio system with SiriusXM. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.